Yo, what is going on, everyone? It is Tristan, and today in this video, we're up early. We're getting at it. Well, I guess not that early. It's like 10 o'clock already, but it's actually a little bit late getting to it. We got some stuff to pack this morning, but today what we're going to be getting into is actually discussing the CPFM dunk lows. I got a pair in hand right here. I believe this is the photo blue one, if I'm right. Or no, the psychic purple pair. Sorry, psychic purple and photo blue pair. So there you guys go. As you guys see, a very, very nice colorway in hand, and we're going to take a look at these from the box, everything they come with. There's a lot of details on this pair right here, and we got to get into them all because there's even some stuff that comes with the box. The box is unique itself. The pair, of course, as y'all can see, both of them got different details in each one. There was a lot of hype for these early, and the prices have actually dropped over the last few days. If you want to go grab a pair, you can get a decent deal right now. So let's get into it. If you guys do want more content like this, though, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the CPFM dunk low. I feel like these could do good over time. Again, it's not an SB, but it's got that feel to it. So again, we'll kind of get into it from there. Just again, you can check my IGs down below, the What Now Lives. We try and go live there every single day. So thank you to everyone who shops with us there, or on my Instagram, we post stuff for sale too. So again, out of those locations, we appreciate all you that do business with us, or with me, because I guess really it is just me, but we do have help sometimes. So yeah, hey, you know how it is, teamwork. But I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so we'll get into the pair in 1 second. I'm gonna set that right here. So the first thing we're actually gonna discuss is the box. So you guys can see the box kind of looks like a metal like crate almost, or like a container. Look, you'll see what I mean. See some of those up close details. Look. It's very, very nice. So some of those details right there, you can kind of see again, looks like a metal case or box. You know what I mean? So I don't know if those details are shown, but like right here up close, you guys can see it kind of looks like, again, a case or a container. So I thought that was really, really cool, kind of that rustic feel to it. You guys can see Nike's logo right there as well. We also got some writing right here. I'm still trying to read what this says. Oh, here you go. So this says Cactus Plant Flea Market, as you guys can see, CPFM. So Cactus Plant Flea Market, another unique detail on the box. And it also says it right here as well, I believe, so check that out. Another detail right there. And you actually open up the box. These come with this right here. So as you guys can see, this says ask and then me. And it's reflective actually. And I believe, let's take a look at what this is. This is a dust bag. So again, you can put the shoes in here and it is a dust bag. So you guys can see what this says right here. It says ask me about the sponge. So ask me about the sponge. I have to assume that it has something to do with SpongeBob. No, I'm kidding. It doesn't have anything to do with SpongeBob. I'm gonna have to assume that again, that has something to do with, again, the shoes, which are called the sponge dunks. Excuse me. So let's get into showing them. So getting into the actual shoes that we have right here. As you guys can see, we got some unique details on both pairs. So taking a look, I feel like the first thing most people notice is the fur on this pair going around the toe box. So you guys can see that is very, very, very present. As y'all can see, cannot ignore that. So that's one of the main details that we see right there in this dunk is that fur. You guys can also see that swoosh right there, kind of that light blue look with hit on that purple. It's very, very nice. I really like the brown background of both the shoes as well. You notice how that kind of like brown colorway on the toe box in the center of this one, toe box of here, heel of here, it's all the same. I really like that brown they decided to go with. I think it really, really works. But aside from that, we also got some extra laces. Don't forget, we got these orange extra laces right here, so you could go with these if you wanted to. If you didn't want to go with those, you could go with the pink ones. So you got some options. You can see they're right now they have the blue and green ones on them. So you got mismatching laces already on them, which I thought was a really cool detail. And I think that you can mismatch them with the pink and orange ones as well. But aside from that, again, going to the toe box right here, you guys can see the unique details right there. That orange hitting underneath. And then again, you guys can see that one does not have, again, orange underneath it. Each detail, again, you guys can see is different on the sneaker. The toe box is different on this one. Same with here. You even go to the soles. Those are both the same, actually. So we do have one consistent detail on both the shoes, which is the soles. You guys can see those are the same on both of them. So that's what we got right there. And then you guys go around here to the heel. You guys can see, again, we got more unique details. So you guys can see that yellow look right there with the red swoosh, yellow and red. Take a look at that. A lot more simple. You guys can see that's on the back. And then this one right here, that purple and blue. And you guys can see it's a little bit more crazy. On this pair right here, you got the fur on the front, and then it switches to, again, a little bit more of a kind of like matted down, or again, not as crazy look. It's still that same material though, again, kind of like a suede right there. So that's another thing that we can understand about that pair right there. But aside from that, going to the insoles. So you guys can see we got some unique insoles on each of these. So again, nothing too irregular. We actually have seen this on a couple CPFM pairs, kind of that like almost looked like a weather map, you know what I mean? So I thought that was pretty cool, right? I don't know the exact word for it off the top of my head, my bad, but it looks like that a little bit. So I thought that was cool, right? But you guys can see a crazy pair in hand. Each one has unique details. Even go to the tongue tag. Take a look at that. Each tongue tag, I believe, is a little bit different. So yeah, just some nice details in this pair. Each one has this little unique feel to it, and also just seems like one that'd be comfy as hell. Like I keep like squeezing like right here, bro. The shoe seems like it'd be comfy as anything to wear. So I definitely want to get a pair of these in my size to wear. If anybody needs a 12, hit my IG. We got the set in size 12, just let me know. But it's a very, very cool pair right here. Very happy to have this one in hand. And yeah, just one that has a lot of unique details on it. It seems like, again, it'd be a nice one to wear and rock for the collection. I just dropped those. All right, hopefully our sound's good, man. The pair is fine, so that's good. But yeah, just dropped those. So aside from that, other details to show. Again, I haven't shown a ton on this pair. You guys can see the inside details of this one with the red swoosh. And look at that center. Very interesting choice of material right here. Not quite sure what this is, but very interesting choice right there. And you guys can see, again, the blue laces, the pink extra ones, inside details with the red swoosher. That's the outside of the sneaker. So again, looks very, very nice. I like this pair. And that's, again, what we got with this CPFM Dunk Low, the Psychic Purple / Photo Blue colorway. As you guys can see, very nice in hand. Each one's unique. Oh, again, I really like what they did with this collaboration. I totally feel like it's underrated. Like, again, it has like that what the dunk kind of feeling to it, because you know each one's unique. But then again, you just look at it, it's a really cool pair. And again, you got the fur here. You already know you're going to be getting a couple Grateful Dead comparisons with that right there. So again, I just feel like there's a lot of really good details in the sneaker that can make it a really good bet over time. So that's my thoughts on the CPFM Sponge Dunks. We got a few colorways that dropped recently. Here's one of them right here. We'll have the other one shortly to unbox for you guys. But let me know if you guys copped any of these CPFM Dunks recently. We're going to do some B-roll shots right now for these without me talking over it, so you guys can see, again, a bit of a better up-close look, you know what I mean? And I keep hitting this. And yeah, you guys can just kind of let me know what you feel from there. Sorry, hopefully my sound is working too, because yeah, your boy threw that off. But take a look. As you guys can see, very, very clean in-hand colorway. Do not sleep, y'all. So we're going to do those B-roll shots right now, and then we'll hop into the outro. So let's go. Oh, and also one final detail to show. Take a look at each heel right here. Again, each one's unique. Like, totally different on each one. So thought that was cool. Now let's go. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this boxing for the CPFM Sponge Dunk Low Psychic Purple / Photo Blue colorway. Let me know how y'all are feeling about these in hand, man. I really like what we got with this pair right here. I feel like it's very unique. And I don't know, I get a good feeling with this collaboration. I feel like this is one that could do well over time. Again, it's not your average Dunk Low. So just let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair right here. If it's one that you did cop or would cop for the collection, let me know. Or if you're still waiting to cop it. And if you guys do want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and like down below. Let me know, again, your thoughts on the shoe right here. And feel free to, again, check out the IGs down below, the Whatnot Lives, any of that. If you want to just come support us or shop with us, again, check that out all down below. It is there. We got a website coming soon on the IG, so do not miss out on that. Just need to take some time to set it up, so y'all will see that soon. And yeah, that's really what I can say, guys, about this pair right here and what we got with the CPFM Sponge Dunk Low. So let me know if you guys copped the pair recently or if you're still looking to. And that's it, y'all. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. Hopefully I will see y'all in the next video tomorrow. And let me know your thoughts on this shoe right here. And again, I will see you all then. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.